Hello there, I'm Derren Brown and I'm here in my secret testing laboratory to try out some of the brand new components on my ghost train.
No, don't. I'll shut my eyes. Oh my god, you little bitch!
That's a big man.
Go away! No, go away!
Wasn't ready to be no millionaire. I was ill prepared. I was prepared to be ill, though. The skill was there. Beginning, it wasn't about the ends. It was about busting raps and standing for.
Have you seen that movie, Wrong Turn?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? Road looks a bit familiar. Okay, we nearly died by turning into a no-turning place, which looked very, very nice. And Jared drove over their nice lawn. It was all nice and decorated and in a nice pattern, and now it's not. But we got out of there really quick. How you feeling, Jared?
You, man.
Fair enough. Martin, how you feeling?
I'm feeling optimistic.
Excellent. Finally hit at Thorpe Park, as you can see in the background. Oh, you might be able to. Jared drove us here, and with Mark also, who's over there. And we're going to go in and check out the press event. Woo! Yeah, he's doing his thing in the background. We had illegal street racing where Jared lost his car, and we had some property damage where Jared went a bit crazy.
The world's first 10 looping roller coaster, Colossus. It never leaves you. Feel the heat of Nemesis Inferno, now at Thorpe Park.
I like that idea.
You do. Yeah, you can get
I like
Coke,
this
have
idea.
a refreshment and a sit down.
You do need a drink though, you're a bit thirsty, you can have Coke. I didn't drive this time, I'm really happy about that. We're inside, we've got nice little press bands on, and now we're going to maybe get something to eat and drink first and just chill. Actually, there's a lot of stuff on there I haven't seen before. It's pretty much a smorgasbord of things. Ooh, we're allowed into the park now, so let's go. I'm excited. We're not vlogging at all. I don't know what you're talking about. Perfect. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hi there. How's it going?
Yeah, very good. Yourself?
Yeah.
Ghost Train should be opening very soon. We're just getting the final flourishes on it.
More intense.
Deeper, darker, and more intense.
I'm liking this. I like this guy. What's your name, sir?
My name's James.
Nice to meet you, James. Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Take care. My heart's kind of thumping at the moment, and I don't know why. I think it's probably because I haven't been on a ride in a while. I'm really nervous, and I don't like it.
Who's there?
Don't worry, this is your stop. Rise of the Demon on Derren Brown's Ghost Train, only at Thorpe Park Resort.
I love scary things. This will be interesting. We can't get in at the moment. Oh, it's been done.
I need you to get right up against the screen.
Right up against the screen.
Facing the screen.
Facing the screen.
So you're going to be watching a short video. There's going to be a red dot on the screen. Keep your eyes on that red dot as it travels up the screen. You'll be getting your pictures taken.
So you've made it this far, and therefore you'll be people who like to break rules and act outside the norm. You're drawn to risk-taking, and like many of us, you like a fright. You like the pattern of tension and release. And if you think you know what a ghost train is, think again.
Please note, it is important to keep the mask on at all times while passing through potential contamination zones.
Just finished the ghost train, Derren Brown's ghost train. Look at the sky, it's beautiful. Yeah, just finished that on quite a ghostly night. It's been quite interesting, the ride itself, I enjoyed it. The VR element of it is quite cutting edge, to be honest, because you do feel like you're on the train. It's a train, so it's a whole subway experience. It's interesting. I like it. It's one of those things where you look around on the headset, but because we are so familiar with our surroundings, it makes you really understand. You know, as a Londoner, you kind of understand, oh, I'm sitting on a tube, I know these sounds, I feel the breeze from the train as it moves, I feel all that stuff, and it is awesome. For me, it'll probably be a one event kind of ride. You go on it, and after that you know all the tricks. I feel there's tweaks that can be made to make it a bit more enjoyable, but I'm not going to give anything away. You know me, guys, I like you to get in there and explore things and just enjoy it. So come down here, go on this, preferably at dusk, sundown, whatever you want to call it. It was enjoyable. I think I'm getting killed by mosquitoes right now, so I'm kind of going all over the place, but it's an experience. Come down, do it. Now I'm going to hit some rides. I just finished a solo ride with Jared.
You sure you don't want to do it for a third time?
Not a third time. First time I was sitting in the back seats. This time in the front. I regretted that. It is over. I've done it. No, it has. Feeling a bit queasy now. It would be great to have an ambulance. Not this one. Not this one.
The Swarm at Thorpe Park.
Time to go on the Swarm. Apparently I have to go on this one because Jared doesn't want to go alone. This would make a perfect place to have a Walking Dead theme. They have enough fences.
At Thorpe Park.
Please hold tight. Place your head back and brace yourself.
Really? You just forgot about this?
Guys, I've just come off the Swarm. Favourite ride so far here. Did it twice, right at the front. It's been a fantastic night. I've been on a multitude of rides. I am now walking to the car of destiny to take me home, to the bed of relaxation. So please like and subscribe below, and you will get more of these videos, awesome ones, and there's a lot more to come. So please